In this video we are going to be breaking down my desk setup with an overview of each item, and I'll also list where you can get them and how much they are. Start with the desk. It's in a white oak metal framing and includes a single black drawer. You can get this in other colourways and even double drawers, but I thought this was the best for my needs, and it also complements my apartment. I wanted something that was a bit homely because my setup's placed in my living room. You can get this for about £99, which is about $130, and it's called the Michigan Home Office Desk. The drawer is actually really handy to have. It looks good, keeps everything tidy, tucked away, and it's also easily accessible. I usually keep my PS4 controller, my wireless Astro A20s, and a diary just to write any goals and ideas I have down. If you do fancy checking out any of the items throughout the video, the links are in the description below. Onto the keyboard and mouse. I really like my keyboard. It's clean looking and very comfortable with the extra handrest at the bottom. It also has a few different settings like wave, flash, or just a fixed colour. You can turn it off completely if you want to. Oh, and it also makes a really nice noise. For my speaker I use an Alexa Amazon that's connected to my PC by Bluetooth. It's pretty decent, to be fair. The sound is good enough for casual use on the PC, and I can always plug my headphones in if any more precise sound. I'm looking to upgrade soon, but I haven't found one yet. If you have any recommendations, do let me know. Underneath the speaker is my dual charger I got as a gift, and I must say, I've been very impressed. It's taken away all the hassle you get with wires, and I can charge my phone and my AirPods simultaneously. It charges them pretty quick too. If I'm ever in a rush, I can just place it on top or quickly grab it. I'm certainly going to get another one for my bedroom soon. You can pick one of these up for about £30, which is $40. This screen has honestly been a game changer compared to my previous. It's an Asus 27-inch IPS screen, 75Hz. If anyone is thinking about getting an IPS screen, I'd recommend spending the extra for it. The picture really packs a punch at night, and no matter what angle you're at and how much light is on it, it still looks great, which is perfect for me as this room has a lot of windows. This came in at only £170. The stand looks pretty good too. I've never had any issues with it. It's got blue light so your eyes don't hurt too much from too much screen, and I've never got a headache from it, even after using it for long days after days. Down below we have the custom built PC. To start with, the case is stunning. It just looks like a force to be reckoned with. I've never had to clean the glass. It's sturdy, quiet, and obviously has the awesome LED lights. It speaks for itself. I needed something that could hold a lot of storage for videos and editing, but I could also game on smoothly from time to time, so a friend of mine built it from requests. If you are wondering what guts it has inside, I've listed them in the description. And lastly, what you're listening to right now, the Hyperx Quadcast microphone. Not much to say apart from it's a quality microphone. I got it for a good deal at the time, and it matches all the rest of my nightlight setup with a strong red glow. It has a few different settings on it. You can move it steadily forward and back, then to mute or unmute it, you simply tap the top of it. You can pick this up for about £100, which is $130. It's an all-round high quality mic, no complaints. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. This is my first video, so I hope it turned out alright, and I will plan to make more content in the future, so stick around. If you did like the setup, or if there's anything you could change about it, or even if you have any recommendations, I'd love to hear about it. Drop me a comment, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.